Ermagerd. Ermagerd. It's amazing! And it's from Flapjack! Ermagerd! So epic! Alright, let's see how well opening up a box is. One-handed. How do I hold this camera here? I think this'll work. Yeah. Screw this. Part 2. So, it's open now. And there is an awesome War Turtle sticker on it. And let's see here. Ermagerd! Let's see what it says. Yo Vampy, thanks for buying the pans. Any cash I get from raves goes back into records, toys, pans, beads, etc. So thank you for supporting my habits. I can't wait to rock the stage with you several times this year. I'm super stoked. Yeah. I know how to read. I know how to English. Just sending some SoCal vibes your way, dude. Cheers, Flapjack. So epic. Oh my god. I'm amazed on how Mr. Flapjack managed to fit a pair of hands into. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Holy shit. More awesome stuff. Okay, this is pretty fucking sweet. Raver baby bottle. Yeah. Cause, you know, binkies are too mainstream. Holy shit. This is pretty fucking sweet. Thank you so much, Flapjack. And, okay, Poke stickers. Here we have a Lapras. And then a Cuddle Puddle of Pokemon. Okay. Old school, happy, hardcore, record stickers. Yeah. Alien stickers. Love aliens. Ha. It has this. Still spiffy though, because it's from Flapjack. And it's a Sandshrew and a Squirtle. Shaw with a Pikachu. Shaw. Yeah, he's there. So fucking sweet. Look badass. Thank you.